What's up, YouTube and the world? So I'm working on this Chevy 1500 that the customer put a clamp stud on his exhaust manifold. He also didn't inform me that he's been trying to resolve a check engine light. It was weird. Our conversation was, he has an exhaust leak and a bolt was missing on his manifold. Can I fix it? Sure. Bring it in the shop, address his original request, tell him, what's going to be involved in fixing that. Once I pulled the converter down, that I seen that the flange was cracked from vibrations, and in other shops there's no repairing that because they don't have the skill, equipment, or ability. And that Y-pipe cat assembly is probably $1,200-$1,500. So I repaired that flange, welded it together, quality checked my work, scanned his car to see what he was chasing because the engine light was on, had a 505 idle code, 121 throttle position issues. Went to speak with him and said, hey, the readiness monitors aren't set and the engine light's on. And he's like, yeah, I took the throttle body off and tried cleaning it. So that doesn't always work, even though, sometimes it does, but a car that has an older throttle body, if you're going to take it apart, take it off and clean it, you might as well just replace it. If you don't have any money, then of course, clean it, see what you get. So I gave him my recommendations on fixing the check engine light. I'm out here road testing it now. Idle seems to be fine. Went through an idle relearn. This is a 6-cylinder. But the moral to the story is, at another shop, to fix the throttle body, the throttle pedal, labor, relearn the throttle, replace the Y-pipe cat assembly, probably talking $2,500 at a shop. This guy is getting out of my shop for, I think, $1,000. So, having a specialist fix your exhaust system, versus replacing it, sometimes is the better way to go. So this dude is ready to get his vehicle back after my short road test. Everything seems to be fine. The idle recovers normal now. When I started up, the idle was 1,300, and then it dropped down to 500. It was up and down. There was no lean codes, just throttle body and throttle position. But yeah, this dude saved a lot of money. Thanks for coming in at the appointment time that I gave you, dude. And 60 to 80 miles, you'll be ready for inspection in New Jersey. Thanks for watching.